किसी भी एग्जाम की कंप्लीट प्रिपरेशन होती है उनके प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर से, क्योंकि प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर से हमें आइडिया लगता है कि किस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में पूछे जा रहे हैं और कौन से टॉपिक्स है जहाँ से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन पूछे जा रहे हैं। तो अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को 100% करने के लिए प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स करना हो जाता है बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल तैयारी एग्जाम की। इस चैनल पर हम डिस्कस करते हैं सभी सेमेस्टर और सभी स्ट्रीम्स, आर्ट्स, कॉमर्स, साइंस या फिर एजुकेशन, सभी के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स को, जिनको कर कर आप कर सकते हैं अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को 100%। तो मेक श्योर कि आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और इसे अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें ताकि उनकी भी एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन हो सके 100%। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं बीए के एनुअल पार्ट 3 का पेपर, पॉलिटिकल साइंस का पेपर, इंडियन पॉलिटिकल थॉट। ये पेपर हुआ है जनवरी 2025 में। अगर आपके लिए वीडियो हेल्पफुल होती है तो इसे लाइक जरूर करें। डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द वीडियो। कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी और अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ इसे शेयर करें। अगर किसी भी क्वेश्चन या ऑप्शन में आपको डाउट आता है तो उसे आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन कर सकते हैं। जो भी करेक्शंस होंगे उन्हें हम कमेंट सेक्शन में पिन कर देंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज का पहला क्वेश्चन है, अर्थशास्त्र वॉज रिटन इन विच लैंग्वेज? आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, संस्कृत। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, हु वॉज द फाउंडर ऑफ ब्रह्म समाज? आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, राजा राम मोहन रॉय। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक सत्यार्थ प्रकाश? आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, दयानंद सरस्वती। Question number 4. Which of the following statement is not true regarding Arya Samaj? Answer is option number D. Advocates polytheism. Question number 5. Brahma Samaj opposed. Answer is option number D. All of the above. Question number 6. Kautilya suggests that the Council of Ministers should consist of. Answer is option number D. 7 to 8 ministers. Question number 7. Who raised the slogan back to Gita? Answer is option number B. Dayanand Saraswati. Question number 8. The original name of Swami Dayanand Saraswati was. Answer is option number A. Mool Shankar. Question number 9. Suti movement was started by. Answer is option number A. Arya Samaj. Question number 10. Who is called pioneer of Indian Renaissance in 1980? Answer is option number D. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 11. Who among the following political leader was arrested following the proclamation of national emergency in 1975? Answer is option number B. J.P. Narayan. Question number 12. Which of the following is absent in M.N. Roy's organized democracy? Answer is option number C. Federalism. Question number 13. In which year was Gokhale elected president of the Indian National Congress? Answer is option number A, 1905. Question number 14. Who translated Gandhi's autobiography into English? Answer is option number B, Mahadev Desai. Question number 15. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? Answer is option number B, Nehru. Question number 16. How old was Gandhi when he was assassinated? Answer is option number D, 79. Question number 17. Who gave the title Mahatma to Gandhi and referred to him as Maharaj? Answer is option number C, Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 18. What is the name of Nehru's autobiography? Answer is option number A, an autobiography. Question number 19. Nehru truly wanted to establish which state? Answer is option number A, democratic socialist state. Question number 20. Who moved objective resolution in the Constituent Assembly? Answer is option number C, Nehru. Question number 21. Who said the Vedas are the source of all knowledge? Answer is option number D, Dayanand Saraswati. Question number 22. Who established Ramakrishna Mission? Answer is option number D, Swami Vivekanand. Question number 23. Who started Arya Samaj? Answer is option number D, Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Question number 24. Who was the first to advocate Western education in Indian education system? Answer is option number B, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 25. Who wrote the book Man, the Maker of His Own Destiny? Answer is option number D, Swami Vivekanand. Question number 26. Which of the following social reformer propagated the concept of universal religion? Answer is option number C, Swami Vivekanand. Question number 27. Who was sentenced to imprisonment in connection with Havda conspiracy care? Answer is option number C, none. Again, there are doubts in the answer of this question. If you know the exact answer, please do mention it in comment section. Question number 28. Kautilya was also known as. Answer is option number A, Chanakya. Question number 29. Which of the following is not a source of Indian political thought? Answer is option number C, Quran. Question number 30. In Arthashastra, Kautilya divided the states into. Answer is option number B, 7 elements. Question number 31. In 1937, M.N. Roy founded his weekly Dash, which was later renamed Radical Humanist in 1949? Answer is option number B, Independent India. Question number 32. In his early years, Gokhale was greatly influenced by. Answer is option number A, Ranade. Question number 33. Kautilya in Arthashastra consists of. Answer is option number B, 15 books. Question number 34. Who called Gokhale the Diamond of India? Answer is option number D, Tilak. Question number 95. The main architect of ancient Indian policy was. Answer is option number A, Kautilya. Question number 36. Who called Tilak the father of Indian revolution? If you know the exact answer of this question, please mention it in comment section. Question number 37. Which of the following is not Cordelia's element of state? All of these are mentioned as the element of state of Cordelia. So either the question is wrong, or if you know the answer, please mention it in comment section. Question number 38. The greatest work of Tilak was. Answer is option number B, Gita Rahasya. Question number 39. JP Narayan's total revolution consists of. Answer is option number D, 7 revolution. Question number 40. The future of Indian politics is written by. Answer is option number B, M.N. Roy. Question number 41. In which year Bal Gangadhar Tilak was born? Answer is option number A, 1856. Question number 42. Toward Struggle book was written by. Answer is option number A, JP Narayan. Question number 43. Who was called the father of Indian unrest? Answer is option number B, Tilak. Question number 44. In which year Chicago Parliament or the Parliament of the World Religion was held? Answer is option number D, 1893. Question number 45. Who was the founder of the Deccan Education Society in 1884? Answer is option number D, Tilak. Question number 46. Who of the following criticized Marxian theory of surplus value? Answer is option number B, J.P. Narayan. Question number 47. Why Socialism book is written by. Answer is option number A, Nehru. Question number 48. Who founded the Mexican Socialist Workers Party? Answer is option number D, Lenin. Question number 49. The Brahma Samaj is based on the principle of. Answer is option number A, monotheism. Question number 50. Who of the following was the founder of All India Socialist Party? Answer is option number A, J.P. Narayan. Question number 51. Swami Vivekananda's nationalism is based on. Answer is option number B, religion. Question number 52. According to him, non-violence or ahimsa is the heart of all religion. Answer is option number B, Gandhi. Question number 53. The Renaissance in India was characterized primarily by. Answer is option number C, moral and spiritual aspiration. Question number 54. Non-cooperation, civil disobedience, hijrat, fasting, strike are several techniques of. Answer is option number C, satyagraha. Question number 55. Who is known as the patriotic saint of India? Answer is option number A, Swami Vivekananda. Question number 56. Narendra Nath was the real name of which of the following reformer? Answer is option number C, Swami Vivekananda. Question number 57. In India, who is regarded as the father of the modern political thought? Answer is option number A, Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 58. Aurobindo connected worshipping India with. Answer is option number A, Indian freedom. Question number 59. Janpath of Kautilya was to consist of how many houses? Answer is option number D, minimum 100 and maximum 800. Question number 60. Mahatma Gandhi described himself as. Answer is option number A, philosophical anarchist. Question number 61. Gandhi wrote Hind Swaraj in which year? Answer is option number B, 1908. Question number 62. Which one of the following is the seventh part of the state according to Saptang theory of state? Answer is option number C, Mitra. Question number 63. Magazine Mook Nayak was started by Mook Nayak. Answer is option number A, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Question number 64. The idea of Indian Constituency Assembly was put forward for the first time by. Answer is option number D, M.N. Roy. Question number 65. Who was the president of Lahore session in Indian National Congress? Answer is option number B, Nehru. Question number 66. Who was the editor of Kesari newspaper? Answer is option number A, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 67. Radical Democratic Party was established by which leader? Answer is option number C, M.N. Roy. Question number 68. According to Manu, king is controlled by. Answer is option number C, by religion. Question number 69. How many chapters are there in Manusmriti? Answer is option number B, 12. Question number 70. Who was written by Manusmriti? Answer is option number D, Manu. Question number 71. Who called the political guru of Gokhale? Answer is option number D, Ranade. Question number 72. Swaraj is essential for our existence. Who said this? Answer is option number A, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 73. When Congress Socialist Party was established by Jai Prakash Narayan? Answer is option number A, 1934. Question number 74. Who has edited Young India? Answer is option number D, Gandhi. Question number 75. Gandhi may die, but Gandhism will live forever. Who said this? Answer is option number B, Nehru. Question number 76. Which is not included in the qualities of state described by Kautilya? Answer is option number D. Dan. Question number 77. Whose main three weapons are truth, ahimsa, and satyagraha? Answer is option number C. Gandhi. Question number 78. To fight against untouchability and other evils, who had established Bharat Sevak Samaj? Answer is option number B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Question number 79. The paper of Raja Ram Mohan Roy named Mirot ul Akbar was published in which language? Answer is option number C. Persian. Question number 80. Which of the following is not the part of Manu's six-fold policy? Answer is option number D. Planning. Question number 81. Which of the following leader first used Harijan term for Dalits? Answer is option number A. Gandhi. Question number 82. Which of the following is our king's dharma according to Kautilya? Answer is option number D. All of the above. Question number 83. Who started the newspaper Maratha? Answer is option number C. Tilak. Question number 84. Kautilya is related to which dynasty of ancient India? Answer is option number A. Maurya dynasty. Question number 85. Which of the following newspaper was started by Gokhale? Answer is option number A. The Hitvat. Question number 86. Who among the following is the father of principal non-violent resistance? Answer is option number B. Gandhi. Answer is option number B. Gandhi. Question number 87. When total revolution called by J.P. Narayan? Answer is option number C. 5 June 1974. Question number 88. Which ideology is related to Jai Prakash Narayan? Answer is option number A. Socialism. Question number 89. Mahatma Gandhi had first started his non-violent non-cooperation movement in which country? Answer is option number B. South Africa. Question number 90. When Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was born? Answer is option number A. 16 October 1815. Question number 91. Who is the author of the book Modern India? Answer is option number B. Nehru. Question number 92. What is the birth name of Swami Vivekanand? Answer is option number C. नरेंद्र दत्त. नरेंद्र नाथ दत्त. ये पूरा होगा नरेंद्र नाथ दत्त. Question number 93. In which year Muhammad Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental High School was established in Aligarh? Answer is option number A. 1875. Question number 94. Says Syed Ahmad Khan founded Scientific Society in? Answer is option number C. 1864. Question number 95. Who is the author of the book The Arctic Home of the Vedas? Answer is option number B. Tilak. Question number 96. When was J.L. Nehru born? Answer is option number D. 14 November 1889. Question number 97. Who has given the slogan Back to Vedas? Answer is option number C. Dayanand Saraswati. Question number 98. Who founded Kanya Gurukuls to promote education for women? Answer is option number D. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Question number 99. Nehru supported which type of economic system for India? Answer is option number B. Mixed economy. Question number 100. Which of the following is known as Lok Nayak? Answer is option number D. J.P. Narayan. तो ये था आपका पेपर ऑफ इंडियन पॉलिटिकल थॉट्स. आई होप ये वीडियो आपके एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन में आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेगी. मेक श्योर कि आप इसे लाइक ज़रूर करें. कमेंट सेक्शन बताएं आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी और अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ इसे शेयर कर दें. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you for your continuous supports. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel and share it with all your friends. Keep supporting ताकि हम इसी तरह आपके लिए और पेपर्स लाते. Thank you so much.